Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Jennifer Bowman with Olympia Piano. So this is just a quick refresher video on chord inversions in the key of C. If you want more detailed tutorial, please look in the description below or click on the link above in this video. So to create the C chord, we're going to use the first 5 notes of the scale and every other note. So Do, Mi, So, C, E, G. That is called root position chord. Third on the bottom, third on the top. Now, to create the inversions, we just mix it up. So we're going to put this C on the top. Now, Mi is going to be the bottom note. So is the middle, and Do, top, Mi, So, Do, E, G, C. That is called first inversion. And then our second inversion, we're going to put this E or Mi on the top. Then we have So, Do, Mi. That's second inversion, G, C, E, fourth on the bottom, third on the top, and then we're back to root position. So the fingering, if you're going to take a test on the chord inversions, the fingering would be 1, 3, 5, right hand, 1, 2, 5, 1, 3, 5 for second inversion, and 1, 3, 5 for root. Left hand would be 5, 3, 1 for root, 5, 3, 1 first inversion, and 5, 2, 1 second inversion, and 5, 3, 1. So if you'd like more information about chord inversions, please watch my other video, which is much more detailed. If this is all you need, then please subscribe for more videos like this, and thanks again for watching.